Every morning, Mr.
Mr. Sneeze! Yay! You're the best! Achoo! Welcome to Ace Space. Today we're gonna read Mr. Sneeze.
Show him the book. Yeah. All right, what do you think this book's about?
He has a red nose because he's always cold.
Maybe so. All right, let's get into it. So this is by Roger. I can't even read. Dude, it's in cursive. I can't even read that, man. All right. This is Coldland, which is a country somewhere near the North Pole. The weather in Coldland is winter all the time. When it isn't snowing, it's freezing. And when it isn't freezing, it's snowing. So you can imagine how cold it is. Look how cold it is. Because it's so cold in Coldland, everybody who lives there is cold as well. You can tell somebody comes from Coldland because everybody there has a red nose. And people from Coldland aren't the only ones with red noses. In Coldland, you can see red-nosed dogs chasing red-nosed cats, chasing red-nosed mice. In Coldland, you can even see red-nosed elephants. What's going on with that, bro? Is he sick, man?
Why is he smiling then?
I don't know. Where's the smile? Where do you see the smile? That's an eye, dude. All right. And what you hear most of the time in Coldland is a noise that sounds like this. The sound of the sneeze is very common indeed in Coldland, which is not very surprising, is it? This is the story of This is the story of Mr. Sneeze, who lives in a small snow-covered cottage in Shivertown, the capital of Coldland. That's where he lives. Every morning, Mr.
Sneeze! Yay! You're the best! Achoo!
Every morning. Every morning, Mr. Sneeze woke up, sneezed, got up, sneezed, got dressed, sneezed, went downstairs,
Sneeze.
ate his breakfast,
Sneeze.
and went to work still sneezing. I don't like this sneezing all the time, he thought to himself every day, until one day he decided to leave Coldland and try to find a cure for the sneezes. So, that very same day, Mr. Sneeze packed the things he'd need for his journey, mainly handkerchiefs, sneezed, locked his front door.
Dude.
What did he do? What did he do after he locked his front door? What do you think he did?
Sneeze.
Exactly. And set off. He walked and sneezed and sneezed and walked.
Dude, how could he hold his stuff if he doesn't have no hands?
That's a good question. He walked and sneezed and walked his way across Coldland. And then he sneezed and walked and sneezed for days and days until Coldland was far behind. As he walked away from Coldland, he noticed that there was less and less snow. And eventually he walked so far that there was no snow at all. And as he walked, he noticed something else. He wasn't walking and sneezing. He was walking and walking.
Dude, how does he have no hands if he's carrying this stuff?
You're really held up over him having no hands, right? For the first time in his life, he wasn't sneezing. Not at all, not a bit, not even the tiniest. A little tiny. I wonder why I'm not sneezing, he thought to himself. I just changed his voice. But he must have thought his thought out loud to himself because a voice behind him replied, "You're not sneezing because you haven't got a cold." Mr. Sneeze jumped, turned.
What's up, guys? This is Ace Rody. So, welcome to. We're gonna kick my dad today.
Thank you for that. Mr. Sneeze jumped, turned, and there behind him stood a wise old wizard. Who's that guy?
He look like you.
Oh, thank you. With a longer beard. What's a cold? Asked Mr. Sneeze. A cold is what you catch when you're too cold, said the wise old wizard wisely. Oh, said Mr. Sneeze.
Oh, now, sir.
But I come from a country called Coldland where everybody is too cold all the time. Nonsense, snorted the wizard. It can't be too cold all the time because of the sun. And he pointed to the sun, which was smiling in the sky. That looks like you. But we don't have any sun in Coldland, said Mr. Sneeze. No sun, exclaimed the wizard. How extremely, extraordinarily extraordinary. We'd better do something about that then, hadn't we? Yes, agreed Mr. Sneeze, not quite knowing what the wizard was talking about. He has no idea what he's talking about. How far away is this place called Coldland? Asked the wizard. Oh, it's miles and miles away, replied Mr. Sneeze. In which direction? Asked the wizard. Mr. Sneeze pointed. Shouldn't take long. Shouldn't take too long, said the wizard, who then waved his magic wand and muttered some magic words, which wouldn't be magic if we told you what they were. What do you think he said? He said boom, bam, bam.
Bum, boom, bum.
Whatever those magic words were, they worked. Before you could say, Sneeze, both the wizard and Mr. Sneeze were transported to Shivertown, which you will remember is the capital of Coldland. As usual, it was snowing. I say, this is a cold, gloomy place, said the wizard. Ha 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 ha!
Chew!
Replied Mr. Sneeze, who had started sneezing again. Coldland certainly needs some sunshine, said the wizard, and that's going to take some rather special magic. Please hurry up, said Mr. Sneeze, who was rapidly turning into a snowman. Turn into a snowman. Turn into a snowman. Now, said the wizard, ignoring him, I'm going to say some magic words, and I want you to sneeze 3 times immediately afterward.
Achoo! Achoo!
Wait for it.
Achoo!
The wise old wizard then held up his magic wand and muttered some more magic words, which again wouldn't be magic if we told you what they were.
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Sneezed Mr. Sneeze. Then quite suddenly, as if by magic, which indeed it was, the sun came out from behind the big black clouds and it stopped snowing. What? There now, said the wizard. That should stop the sneezing. And then after muttering some more magic words and without even waiting to say goodbye, he disappeared. And he disappeared. Mr. Sneeze just stood there in the sunshine watching the snow begin to melt. After that, the sun shone every day, and today, Coldland isn't anything like it used to be. You can't see the red-nosed dogs chasing the red-nosed cats, chasing the red-nosed mice anymore, and these days, the sound of a sneeze is a very uncommon sound indeed. And even Mr. Sneeze doesn't sneeze anymore. But that isn't the only thing different about Mr. Sneeze, as he discovered himself when he looked in the mirror one morning. Can you see what was different about Mr. Sneeze? What was
Does
different?
that have a red nose?
He doesn't have a red nose. He's cured, man.
He's dead.
How's he dead? He's doing good, man. He looks like he's doing good for himself. It happened one other time, too. See if you can find the page where that was. Wait, it happened one other time, too? His nose was blue? Find the page where his nose was blue.
Dude.
No, it's before that. We already saw that. Wait, right here. So that was...
Mr. Sneeze.
Thank you, guys. Tune in next time to...
Ace Space.
Like and subscribe. Comment below what other books you want us to read. Peace.